happens when AI dives beneath the surface? In today's video, we're exploring the rise of AI-powered submarine drones, cutting-edge machines that are revolutionizing modern naval warfare. These underwater drones don't just follow orders. They think, adapt, and execute complex missions with astonishing precision, from stealth reconnaissance to frontline combat. As we dive deeper, we'll uncover how this tech is transforming military strategy and reshaping global security. Get ready to explore the future of warfare, where artificial intelligence meets the deep sea. Evolution of submarine technology. Submarine technology has come a long way since its inception in the 17th century, evolving from simple wooden vessels to sophisticated machines capable of deep-sea exploration. Key milestones include the introduction of diesel-electric engines in World War I, the development of nuclear-powered submarines in the 1950s, and the integration of advanced sonar systems. Today, the incorporation of artificial intelligence marks a significant leap forward, enhancing operational efficiency and decision-making in real time. As we examine these advancements, it becomes clear that submarines play a crucial role in contemporary military operations, providing strategic advantages in stealth, surveillance, and combat scenarios. AI capabilities in submarine drones. AI technologies are at the forefront of enhancing submarine drones, enabling them to operate autonomously and efficiently. Advanced algorithms facilitate autonomous navigation, allowing these drones to traverse complex underwater environments while avoiding obstacles. Machine learning plays a pivotal role in real-time data analysis, enabling accurate threat assessment and target recognition, which is crucial for mission success. Furthermore, AI enhances communication and coordination with naval forces, ensuring seamless information sharing and strategic alignment during operations. By leveraging these cutting-edge technologies, submarine drones are transforming naval warfare, providing unprecedented capabilities that enhance both operational effectiveness and safety in challenging maritime scenarios. Strategic advantages of AI-powered submarine drones. AI-powered submarine drones offer significant tactical benefits in military operations, primarily through their stealth capabilities. Operating silently underwater, they minimize detection risks, allowing for covert missions without endangering human lives. This is particularly crucial in combat scenarios, where traditional manned vessels may face greater threats. Additionally, these drones excel in intelligence gathering and surveillance missions, providing real-time data that enhances situational awareness. By integrating advanced AI technologies, they can analyze vast amounts of information quickly, enabling timely decision-making. Ultimately, the deployment of AI-powered submarine drones can shift the balance of power in naval warfare, giving nations a strategic edge in maritime conflicts. International implications and concerns. The deployment of AI-powered submarine drones carries significant geopolitical ramifications, prompting varied responses from nations worldwide. Countries are racing to develop their own advanced underwater technologies, which raises concerns about global security and stability. As these drones enhance military capabilities, ethical considerations surrounding autonomous military systems come to the forefront, sparking debates about accountability and decision-making in combat. Furthermore, the potential for an arms race looms large as nations seek to outpace each other in AI advancements. This underscores the urgent need for international regulations to govern the use of such technologies, ensuring they are deployed responsibly and ethically in the global arena. Future of military technology. As we look ahead, the future of military technology is poised for remarkable advancements, particularly in the realm of AI and submarine capabilities. Emerging trends suggest that AI will play an increasingly central role in future warfare, enhancing decision-making processes and operational efficiency. We can expect significant improvements in drone capabilities, such as enhanced autonomy, longer endurance, and advanced sensor technologies, allowing for more complex missions. However, these advancements also prompt critical reflections on their implications, including ethical concerns and the potential for escalation in conflicts. As viewers, it's essential to consider how these technologies will shape the landscape of global security and military strategy. In Summary: AI-powered submarine drones represent a significant leap in military technology, enhancing capabilities in navigation, surveillance, and combat while minimizing risks to human life. We've explored their strategic advantages, the geopolitical implications of their deployment, and the ethical considerations surrounding autonomous systems. Staying informed about these advancements is crucial, as they will shape the future of warfare and global security. If you found this discussion insightful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others interested in military technology. Don't forget to explore our related content for a deeper understanding of these fascinating developments in defense technology.